Hello and welcome to English Pod Studio. I'm very happy you are here today. This podcast is made for English learners like you. You will hear clear and simple English. You can listen, repeat, and think while you practice. Listening like this will help you understand more and speak with more confidence. Today, we will talk about something very important: learning English step by step. Many learners want to learn English quickly. They want to speak fluently in a few months. But learning a language does not work that way. It is a journey. It takes time, patience, and small steps. Every small step brings you closer to fluency. Think of learning English like climbing a mountain. You cannot jump to the top in one move. You need to take small steps, one after another. Sometimes the way feels easy, sometimes it feels hard. But if you keep going, you will reach the top. The first step in learning English is listening. Listening is the foundation. When you listen a lot, your ears get used to the sounds of English. You begin to understand how words connect, how sentences flow, and how people use intonation. Listening comes before speaking. Babies listen for months before they say their first word. You can do the same. The second step is speaking. After you listen a lot, try to repeat. Start with short sentences. Say, "Good morning." Say, "How are you?" Say, "I like tea." You don't need to speak long or complex sentences at the beginning. Step by step, your speaking will become stronger. The third step is reading. Reading helps you see how words are written. You can start with simple texts, children's books, or short stories for learners. Reading gives you new words and shows you how grammar works in real sentences. The fourth step is writing. Writing does not need to be long essays. Start small. Write 3 sentences about your day. For example, I woke up at 7, I ate bread and butter, I went to work. This simple writing practice will help you remember words and grammar. So you see, learning English is not one big step. It is many small steps. Listening, speaking, reading, and writing together will help you grow. Now, let's talk about practical ways you can practice every day. One simple method is daily listening. Choose a short podcast, a short video, or a children's story. Listen once for the general meaning. Listen again to notice new words. The third time, try to repeat 1 or 2 sentences out loud. This exercise trains your ear and your mouth together. Another method is called shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to a speaker and try to say the same words at the same time. For example, if the speaker says, "I like coffee," you also say, "I like coffee," together with the voice. Shadowing helps you copy rhythm, speed, and pronunciation. At first it may feel strange, but with practice it makes you sound more natural. You can also use flashcards for new words. Write the word in English on one side and the meaning on the other. Look at 3 or 4 cards each day. Say the word out loud, then use it in a sentence. For example, if the card says apple, say, "I eat an apple every morning." Flashcards are simple but very effective. Another useful step is role play. Pretend you are in a real situation. Act like you are at a shop. Say, "Hello, how much is this?" Then answer as if you are the shopkeeper. "It is $5. Role play helps you prepare for real-life conversations. You can also record your voice. Many learners don't know how they sound in English. Record 1 short sentence or a small paragraph. Then listen carefully. Ask yourself, did I speak too fast? Did I say the sounds clearly? Record again and try to improve. Listening to yourself will help you get better. Another step is to find a partner. You can speak with a friend, a classmate, or someone online. Even 10 minutes a day will make a big difference. Ask simple questions like, "What did you do today?" or "What will you eat tomorrow?" Speaking with another person makes English feel real. Finally, create a small daily routine. Do not wait for free time. Make time. Maybe you listen for 10 minutes in the morning, read for 10 minutes at lunch, and speak for 5 minutes in the evening. These small steps build a strong habit. Now let's talk about motivation, patience, and enjoying the process of learning English step by step. Learning a language is not easy. Some days you feel excited, other days you feel tired. Sometimes you feel progress, sometimes you feel stuck. This is normal. Every learner feels this way. The secret is to keep going. Step by step, you will improve. One way to stay motivated is to set small goals. Do not say, "I will speak English perfectly in 6 months." Instead say, "This week I will learn 5 new words." Or, Today I will listen to one short podcast. Small goals are easier to reach, and each success gives you confidence. Another way is to track your progress. Keep a notebook. Write what you practiced each day. At the end of the week, look back. You will see that you did many small steps. Over time, these steps become big progress. When you make mistakes, don't feel sad. Mistakes are teachers. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. If you say, she go to school, and someone corrects you, she goes to school, you have learned a grammar point. Next time, you will do better. Also, try to make learning fun. Choose topics you enjoy. If you like music, listen to English songs. If you like cooking, watch easy recipes in English. If you like sports, read short news about your favorite team in English. When learning is fun, you will want to do it every day. Another important step is to review. Review means to look again at what you learned before. Every week, read your notes again. Repeat old words. Listen again to an old podcast. Review helps your memory stay strong. Finally, remember to be patient and kind to yourself. Language learning is a long journey. It is not a race. Each day you are moving forward, even if the step is small. So the lesson is clear. Keep learning step by step. Don't rush. Don't give up. Every day, do a little. Each step brings you closer to fluency. Thank you for listening to English Pod Studio. I hope this episode gave you ideas to make your English practice easier and more enjoyable. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.